If someone filed a lawsuit against you tomorrow, how protected do you think your assets really are? Because a lot of people assume that's never going to happen to me. But lawsuits, creditors, business disputes, and accidents can happen faster than people expect. Hi, I'm Wes Harvin with the Estate, Trust, and Elder Law Firm. And today we're going to talk about practical ways to protect your estate from lawsuits before there's ever a problem. The first thing to understand is this: asset protection has to be done early. You can't wait until a lawsuit shows up and then try to move everything around. At that point, it may be too late. One tool we may look at is an irrevocable trust. When assets are properly moved into this type of trust, they may no longer be treated as your personal property. That can help protect them from certain lawsuits, judgments, or creditor claims while still allowing those assets to benefit your loved ones. If you own a business, you also need to keep your business and personal assets separate. Using an LLC or corporation can create a legal barrier between a business related lawsuit and your personal estate, but it only works if it's set up and maintained the right way. Insurance is another important piece. An umbrella policy can provide extra liability coverage beyond your homeowners or auto insurance. It's not a replacement for legal planning, but it can be a strong layer of protection. You also want to be careful with ownership. Putting assets jointly with adult children or non spouses may seem simple, but it can expose your property to their lawsuits, debts, or divorce issues. Convenience can create risk if we're not careful. And finally, get professional guidance. Asset protection is not a do it yourself project. If it's done incorrectly or too late, a court may undo it. The bottom line is this: you worked hard to build what you have. Let's make sure it's protected before a problem shows up, okay? If you want to put the right protections in place, reach out to us at the Estate, Trust, and Elder Law Firm. We'll help you build a plan that fits your situation and protects what matters most. If this video was helpful, go ahead and like it, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.